I know what you're thinking. Why do I keep doing this? What the heck did Eric drag back now? Well, I did it again. I got another basket case. It's not just cars. I have sympathy for everything broken, apparently. So this guy right here, 34-foot Gooseneck Haulmark, been totaled. Traded a flat deck trailer I had for it. It was done. Trailer, same thing, needed help. Got it all painted, got it dialed in. Didn't even use the thing, got rid of it. This thing came along. I'm thinking storage. It always looks better in pictures. Let me explain. This one here, didn't know I had a bad title until I got it. But at that point, I was already committed mentally. So this one here, I think it got hit in the back end, crammed the front, gooseneck was tweaked, it passed DOT, according to the guy I got it from. There's no way. That's all getting cut off. The back here, where it was pushed, I got 3 different hydraulic rams here. You guys know the deal with these things. They all leak and they're missing parts, so we'll make something happen here. But anyway, I'm gonna press that door back down, reskin everything in there. The guy I got it from reskinned the front of the roof. That needs redone. Dane is going to town on the front end of this thing. So this gem here, it's obviously been pushed back. You can see buckle marks in here. So I had a bunch of gussets in there, as you can see on the ground, and they were not pretty. The goal is today, since we have the technology and we have the Daniac here, we're gonna get all these heated up. We're gonna pull this gooseneck forward, get this buckle out of it, gusset this whole areas like they should have been, and then triangulate them. So it's gonna be super stout. It'll be better than it ever was. But we gotta go back and fix a bunch of stuff that was previously fixed. So, you know, it's not much different than cars. We'll get this sucker dialed in, and then we got good storage. Or I can haul things, I don't know. Oh yeah, so it's got some blemishes here. Just right here, and there, and there, and there. Down the side, down the other side, and the back, and the roof. The roof? Yeah, roof's been replaced to about there. It got tore off, I'm sure. Everything other than the tires is gonna be touched and good to go. So anyway, Haulmark makes everything for these. That's what this trailer is. We'll get new size and kind of spruce her up a little bit, get her watertight before winter sets in, and that'll be it. It doesn't get better in here. So where the roof was peeled off this thing, it's been cut. Somebody added 4 sheets of mild steel sheet metal up there. So those are rusting already. Those will come off. Haulmark and a lot of the newer trailer companies use a 1-piece aluminum skin. So I need to round up that. I'd like to reskin this thing, seal it up, redo all the inside. The floor is oil soaked. Somebody's already overlaid it with another layer of 3/4. I'm gonna peel all that up, probably put a new skin down, but just freshen it up and make sure it's safe. I feel like I'm gonna go through this floor here. They put new tires on it and everything, but I mean, I can see daylight and stuff out of it, and it's definitely gonna leak. So work continues on the trailer, day 3. This is the final day. Got to get it done today or else. Devin's going town on the framing, so I think this trailer got hit in the back end here. I know it got hit in the back end, and I can see it because the way that it is right there. So bunch of heat, bunch of hydraulic, ported power action, getting that pulled out, getting the gate swapped out. I have a new lower hinge from Haulmark coming. Also some skinning, which is more of a visual thing than anything. But the real action's up front. You probably already touched on this with Dane. Dane went absolutely bananas on this. The tongue of this thing, when it was in its wreck, bent that gooseneck back a little bit. So this whole front end was actually shifted back a little bit. So we got the ported power, pushed it back out, cut off all the old brackets that were on it, which somebody had added to it, and then beefed it up. Center one here, we did 3/8 steel. Everything else is 1/4 inch with gussets and tied in. I mean, this thing's not going anywhere for sure. Should be good, and it's straight up and down. Had to doll it up, had to fix it up just for peace of mind, but there's a lot of work that needs to be done on this for real. But we got some trim pieces and some body panels and things just to kind of clean it up like we do. Can't leave anything alone, and then it'll go into storage. But pretty much wrapped up on this thing here, and yeah, that's it. We also do trailer restorations, I guess, so even our own garbage. Yeah, don't bring me your trailer.